In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for manufacturing. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and open the workspace where you want to manage your manufacturing operations. Once you're inside the right workspace, look for the plus button beside the workspace name. This is where you can create something new for your team. Click that button and create a new board for your manufacturing operations. Give the board a clear, practical name that makes it easy to recognize at a glance. A simple name works best, especially if multiple teams will be using it to track production activity. Now it's time to set up the board so it reflects your manufacturing workflow. Add items to represent the work you want to track. These can be production orders, products, work orders, or individual manufacturing jobs, depending on how your process is organized. In the first column, enter the product name or job name so each item is easy to identify. Next, build out the columns that will help you monitor progress. Add a status column to track production stages. This is useful for showing where each job stands, such as not started, in progress, waiting, or completed. Then add a people column so you can assign team members or supervisors to specific jobs. This helps create accountability and makes ownership clear. After that, add a date column to track production deadlines and a numbers column to record quantities. These are especially helpful for planning and for making sure output stays aligned with demand. You can also add any other columns your operation needs, such as production line, batch number, inventory status, or priority. The goal is to create a board that supports your actual workflow without making it overly complicated. Once the structure is in place, enter your manufacturing jobs and production data into the board. As work moves forward, keep production statuses updated so the board stays accurate and useful. You can also assign jobs to team members directly to make sure responsibilities are clearly defined. To make the board easier to work with, use Filter to focus on specific production orders or statuses. This is especially useful when you only want to see urgent work or a particular stage of production. You can also use Group By to organize jobs by production stage, product type, or priority, which makes the board much easier to review. If you want different ways to monitor schedules, switch between views like Table, Calendar, Timeline, or Gantt. These views can help you visualize deadlines, workloads, and production timing more effectively. Finally, review the board regularly to track manufacturing progress and keep your team aligned. Thanks for watching.